Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install the ink. I'm also going to break this off. This is going to be an independent video on how to install the ink on the Epson XP-6000. But if you go ahead and go on my channel, there's a complete review of this printer. And this is of course for the people that are just watching this for the installation of the printer ink. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this printer along with the ink. If you are needing to buy some new ink, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and go do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly how to install the ink on this printer. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and lift this up the top. It should click right up in place. So you're going to have, you've got your black 302i there. You're going to take this off and you're going to lay this. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and grab your ink. Make sure that this this board is facing this way because it's going to be going ahead and connecting right in there. So just like that, it should click right into place. The next one I would do is Cyan. So you're going to grab your Cyan, go ahead, put it right in place, and even just if you wanted to kind of like that, right in there. Next would be yellow, and I'm going to go ahead just like that. Next would be magenta. Make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. I'm going to have this 302i ink on my website, so you can go ahead and purchase new ink or purchase this printer there. I'm going to have this printer. So the last on my website. So the last ink cartridge is going to be this black one on the side, and you're set. You've got all your ink and you are ready to go and continue the setup.